All right, tell us what you think then of the new chairs.
Good. I like this good.
But they're slippery. Are you sliding way down? Try and go back up again. Go back up. Go back up. Way back.
Okay.
And now, oh, look at two. It's big enough for both of you. Move over, little. What do you think of the new chair, Liam?
It's big. It's big enough for
Look
two
at
people.
that. It's big enough for both of you.
Ian, who's playing with those?
What's happening?
Yeah. He's just trying.
Yeah.
He's trying to figure it out, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's trying to figure it out. Yeah. He's trying to tell you all about it. Yeah. Well, slippery guys. Are we going to have to put something sticky on your butt? So you don't slide off the chair? I don't think we can do that. Can we?
What?
Put Velcro on your butt? All right. Well, now we have more chairs to put together. Can you say bye?
Bye. Bye, screw.